Holy shit. Whoo!
5 months ago, we bought this abandoned Lamborghini kit car shell off Facebook Marketplace in the middle of the night for $10,000, with the aim of fitting it to this BMW E36 chassis that we found sitting on a friend's farm. We chopped up the E36 until it was completely unrecognizable, fitted a 13B turbo rotary motor, and somehow we made the Lamborghini shell fit. And in the last video, we brought the car to our friend's beautiful shop at Wrapped Up, and everyone got their hands dirty prepping the car to be wrapped. And in today's episode, it's finally time to reveal the color we've chosen for the car and see the car in color for the first time.
So like I said in the last video, it is one of these colors here. So basically the reason that we chose this was because there was actually none of the color that we wanted left in the country. So the color that we have chosen is dun dun dun,
Midnight Purple.
Midnight Purple. Holy, look at that.
So this still has a clear layer on it, so
Yes.
don't get too excited just yet.
Yeah, so this, what is that? That's like
It's
a,
a protective sheath, so
yes, okay.
helps us manipulate the material at the start.
Of course, the car was going to be originally painted, but because of the deadline that we have, I had to reach out to Andrew and I said, hey, can you do better than 4 weeks in getting the car in color? And he said, yeah, we can do it in 3 days, which is absolutely insane. Are we wrapping the first panel right now?
On the door. Let's go.
That's amazing. Let's go.
The vinyl wrapping process is an intricate blend of technical expertise, artistry, and patience, and watching Andrew and Timmy go about their work gave me a new level of respect for the sweet science.
It's already day 10 of the 12 days of Mikemas, where we do daily vlogging and giveaways in every single video. Shout out to Hatton992 for winning the TSG $100 voucher in the last video. And in this video, the giveaway, these beautiful Litme wireless headphones. All you have to do to win these is throw a comment below and be subscribed to this channel. It's that easy. Happy Mikemas. Now back to the color reveal. So the first panels are now wrapped and we're gonna give you guys our genuine, honest opinion.
It's pretty nice.
It is pretty nice,
Pretty
huh?
nice.
He's playing it down. Are you ready? Ooh, look at this. They look absolutely insane. I'm so happy with the color now. That is absolutely redonkulous. Well done.
Thank you, sir.
He knows what he's doing.
It's a good choice.
Yeah.
It's dark enough, but it's bright enough,
Yes.
gloss enough,
Yeah.
and it's plenty enough for a drift car.
Oh, well, I mean, I think it's too good for a drift car. Look at the shine. Like, it's absolutely bonkers. And there's enough purple there where I'm really happy, but it's also really stealth looking, which is so nice for a supercar. Not that it's an actual supercar, but it's going to be better when it's finished than a supercar.
We're not against paint.
Yeah,
We know there's two different worlds. There's a wrap world and a paint world.
we love both.
In this world, wrap's going to do us just fine.
I think so, and I mean, given our time frame, Wrap has to do us just fine. We have no choice.
Time frame non-existent.
Exactly. I can't wait to see those on that, but obviously we've got a world of hurt in front of us before we get to that point. Shout out to Wrapped Up, shout out to Andrew, shout out to Timmy, who's literally working on other panels right now. Side skirt wrap going on. The first part of the body, officially. So we've basically wrapped all of the flat panels and the doors. The whole team is here at the moment, and he's wrapped the side skirts, which is like an insanely hard part of the whole build. But I'm gonna leave the boys to wrap the rest of the car, and I'm gonna come back in a couple of days and pick it up.
So I left Andrew and Timmy to work their magic, and panel by panel, they completely transformed this car. Honestly, I cannot thank these boys enough.
Can't be free with a caution. Only thing on my mind is you. We're in bloom, and I will stay in comfortable silence. I won't talk about myself in violence. Ever since you, ever since you.
the following day. We have just arrived back at Wrapped Up and I get to see the car finished. The boys have been hard at work, literally till late last night, getting this done. And apparently it looks insane. They had a couple of complications, but that's just due to the fact that I bought them some less than okay bodywork that they had to fix up. But apparently the car looks amazing, so shout out to the boys at Wrapped Up. But after 6 months of seeing this car in primer, it's finally time to see it in full color. Let's go. Alright, so apparently it's behind this roller door right here, so let's see. Holy shit. Woo! Dude, that's insane.
Good things.
Well, apparently it wasn't so good things overnight last night.
No, it wasn't that fun, but look, a couple of hours and a couple of efforts.
Holy crap, look at the purple. That's insane. I'm so happy with our color choice now. Midnight purple. There were a lot of people that were asking for the violet purple that they come out with stock. We actually were gonna go, like I said, with the Lamborghini Aventador purple. This was just a happy mistake, but I've gotta say, what an amazing happy mistake.
Good mistake.
Yeah, I don't think we could have picked a better color. Wow. It just completely changes the whole car, really. Dude, you absolutely killed this. There are definitely still imperfections in the body. We just didn't have time to get all of the bodywork done, but we got it done to the best of our ability, and shout out to Marty and these guys because they put in that extra effort and it really paid off. But in the sun, I mean, wow. Especially because we're also putting a livery over this thing. So this is literally the base of what it looks like, and then the stickers will go on top and that'll, you know, make it look even punchier. But that is just absolutely insane. We did talk about running the rear bumper or not. We're still up in the air about that, but the good thing is about that is we can choose.
Swap it, change it, take it off, put it on, blow it off on the wall.
Everyone keeps saying that. What happens if you like hit it into a wall or something? Fingers crossed that doesn't happen. It's not, yeah, I don't know. We'll see how G'd up we get with the crowd.
Look, you'll get excited, but we're not going to scratch it just yet.
We'll try not to, and if we do, I'll bring it right back here.
That's it.
And you can wrap it
You dropped it off like 48 hours ago, so.
That's insane. Honestly, Wrapped Up, their Instagram and their link and everything is in the description and the first comment in this video, but please go show them some love because that is just absolutely redonkulous. Oh, I don't even know what to do with my hands right now. Crazy, dude. Absolutely crazy. So what were the problems that you had when you were wrapping the car?
Just the primer wanting to lift, a few of the bulked areas, stuff like that.
Yeah.
All the bodywork was always going to be a bit iffy.
Yes.
So a few areas where you had to replace the material, clean up what was underneath, try again.
Yeah.
Mainly with this sort of material, it's very aggressive adhesive. So if anything sits down, it's just going to pick straight up.
Yeah.
So laying the panel in one shot is key.
Yeah. Which is very difficult.
Very difficult with all these contours, but like we said, we got to find a happy medium. We're not spending 50 grand painting it and spending 6 weeks doing it.
Yes.
We got 48 hours and we made it purple.
And you did make it so purple. The midnight purple is, wow, what a, it's, and then when you put it in the sun, it's so much more purple that I'm kind of happy this is what we went with. Like, it just looks insane. And the best thing is, the wheels showed up at my house for this thing this morning, so I get to throw those on in the next couple of days, and they're just gonna absolutely transform the car once again. So we've still got so many more stages to go through. The wing, it just makes the car look complete in my opinion, so I can't wait to fit that, but I'm just over the moon. Can't thank you enough.
Absolutely.
Wrapped Up, let's go. So good. I put you through a lot of pain, but I feel like it's worth it because this just, yeah, I just want to sit down and stare at it for the next hour, to be honest. So good. Well, there it is. After 6 long months in the build, this thing is finally all one color. But that is where we're gonna wrap up this video, with this beautiful midnight purple thing sitting right in front of us. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to leave a comment below to win those Litme wireless headphones. But now I've got to make the 1.5-hour trip home to do a bunch of work on this thing. And honestly, I'm getting straight to work tonight. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Shout out Wrapped Up. Timmy, Andrew, these guys are freaking sick. Thanks for having me as well. And I'll see you guys in the next video. You Peace. Look, midnight purple Lamborghini kind of Diablo. Next up, we're gonna get this thing running. Bye. Bye, Andrew.
Ciao.